There's a lot of buzz going on around PRP, and people are wondering if it's the best option to regrow hair. In my clinic, we have used PRP, but I have a better solution for you, and it's called Mesotherapy. Hi, I'm Dr. Nina, and on my page, we help you get to the root cause of your health concerns and hair loss. So Mesotherapy in relation to hair loss, it is different type of cosmeceutical that's been designed to help with many different types of hair loss. So we're talking about inflammatory hair loss, such as CCCA, lichen planopilaris. It can actually help with seborrheic dermatitis. I've used it a lot with folliculitis, male and female pattern hair loss. The reason why I like to use Mesotherapy is because I have mastered using different cocktails to help with various types of hair loss. And I know, let's say for example, if I'm helping someone who has CCCA, which is inflammation that's essentially affecting the hair follicle. I like to use this because I know that one, it is not going to cause any adverse effects. You can use PRP on someone's scalp who has CCCA, and it can do two things. It can either help to calm down the inflammatory factors, or in cases that I've seen, it can make the condition worse. So to be on the safe side, I don't like to gamble when it comes to revitalizing hair. I use the Mesotherapy. So I wrote some notes down because I just want to touch on some things as far as what these different cocktails do. So it's going to help neutralize free radicals, reduce oxidative stress on the scalp, stimulate collagen. So we want to stimulate collagen, so that's that whole process of starting new hair growth. It's going to add moisture onto the scalp. A lot of times, certain types of hair losses or scalp conditions can have the scalp really dry, where Mesotherapy can help to put moisture back into the scalp. Or if I have someone that I know who has a nutrient deficiency or have some type of hormonal imbalance, then I can use a cocktail that has amino acids or vitamins and put it directly onto the scalp to help the treated area, versus taking a supplement and having it to break down, and we don't know how much is going to go where it needs to go at. So this is doing spot treatment on the areas that I'm trying to regrow. The same thing as it pertains to, let's say, male pattern hair loss, where the elevation in the androgen hormones is shrinking the follicle. Then I can use a Mesotherapy cocktail that's designed to help with the side effects of that hormone having an effect on the hair follicle. Same thing for female pattern hair loss. It works the same way. So I'm covering all areas. I'm covering inflammation, I'm covering hormonal hair loss, I'm covering nutrient deficiency. So it's all around. To me, I feel like in the results that I'm giving, Mesotherapy is just great. I love it. Like I said, I'm using it for scalp conditions, hair loss, and if you are experiencing hair loss or you tried other things and you like this information, please subscribe to the page, give it a thumbs up, and until next time, take care.